So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting these types of pop-ups on your iPad that basically tell you that your iPad is unavailable. So there could be a little, like a little thing that comes up inside of your iPad that tells you that the iPad is unavailable. So the first thing I'd recommend doing if you're getting that type of pop-up, number one, is to pretty much just go through and try seeing if you can restart your iPad. So if you can go through and just restart it by clicking the volume up button, volume down button, and then holding down the side button until your iPad completely restarts, and then let go of the Apple logo, you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. For some people out there, that might end up fixing it for you, and that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, if that's not working, let's say your iPad is still not working, you're still getting like a iPad is unavailable error whenever you bring up your particular iPad. You can try going through and seeing if you can back up your iPad and your data and restarting your iPad. But before you do that, I would recommend seeing if you can even basically update your iPad. If you can update your iPad, that might end up fixing it. Make your way over into your settings application like this. Click into your general options, click onto software update, and try going through and try seeing if there's a software update available for your iPad. There very well might be, and that could be another way that you can go through and fix this problem. If that's still not working, you can also try going through and you can essentially try seeing if you can go through and basically back up your iPad and then factory reset it. So what this would basically mean is that you would go through, you would back up all of your data inside of your iPad, so all your storage, all your everything, and then go through inside of your settings right here, click into your general option here, go into transfer or reset iPad, and see if you can erase all content and settings down here. And that could be another way to go and fix that problem. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.